Hey, what's up guys, Joel here, and I know it's been a while since I made a video, but here I am making another video. So today I'm just going to be talking about the 3 Bluetooth speakers that pretty much I use. So most of the time, I don't really use Bluetooth speakers. I mean, in my room, I just have, speakers. I have 2 sets of speakers, and I really don't go anywhere else that really needs them, except these 3 places. 1, the kitchen. This is kind of if you don't want to have your phone out playing music or headphones or something, and you want to play it but not get your your phone dirty when you're cooking or something. So it's good to have nice cheap Bluetooth speakers you can mess around with and just have in the kitchen getting dirty and stuff. Alright, so the speaker I use in the kitchen is by Zenbra. At least I think that's how you say it. Now the reason I like this speaker is because it actually has 2 speakers, 2 5-watt speakers on the top, and the bottom is ported so that the bass escapes down there and sounds nice and extra loud. So this speaker is pretty multi-purpose. You can use it because it has Bluetooth. It also has an auxiliary port, so you can do a hardwired connection, and then it also has a radio mode, so that's kind of cool. Now the speaker isn't really waterproof. I don't really mind getting this speaker dirty, and I know it'll still work at the end of the day. The one thing I don't like about this speaker is it runs out of battery pretty fast. I don't know if it's just because it's 2 speakers, it uses a lot of power, or it just wasn't built right, but mine just seems to go through power pretty quickly compared to other Bluetooth speakers I've had. Alright, now the most important Bluetooth speaker you're going to have is the one that's in your shower. So you definitely can't take your phone in the shower, so this is going to be a good way to play your tunes and not worry about the speaker getting messed up. The one I have is by VicTsing, and it's a totally waterproof speaker that has 2 main functions that I really need. It has a carabiner clip, so I can hang it from like a shower caddy or anything like that, and it also has a suction cup on the back. So the suction cup is going to be able to stick to those walls if you have the walls that can do that, or even better, a mirror or something in your bathroom. The ports are pretty well sealed with rubber, and all the buttons are big and easy to press, all rubber coated. I pretty much have to have it on full volume in order for me to enjoy my songs. So the last speaker I have is pretty much my travel speaker, and it actually tends to be my favorite speaker. Now I did just pick this up a little while ago, but it's really served me well. So the speaker I'm talking about is the JBL Clip Plus. Now I know this isn't the latest one, there's actually a 2nd generation that's out that's actually completely waterproof, but the one that I have is splash proof. Now the reason I got this one is because I actually found it at Target for 15 bucks. Normally on Amazon it's like 25 or 30 bucks, and the 2nd generation is $60. So my favorite part about this speaker is the audio quality. This speaker is actually made by Harman, so there's a good audio company behind it. So there's no suction cup on the back, but there is a clip on the top, and that makes it a carabiner style speaker. Now one of the big selling points of these speakers is the built-in auxiliary cable on the back. Not only can you connect your phone or anything to that, but you can also use it with another speaker. So if you have 2 of them, you can daisy chain them together to get more of a surround sound or have dual speakers, whatever you really need. Now I do want to say these speakers can get loud at full volume. You can definitely hear it across a house or across a pool if you want to have it by the pool or anything like that. It's actually really good. Now I do have to talk about the one negative so far that I've experienced with the speaker, and that's that I can't skip songs. Now I don't know if I'm just doing it wrong, but I've tried long presses, short presses on the plus and minus keys, and it only seems to change the volume. I don't know if the fact that it's only running Bluetooth 3, that's a limitation. If anyone has a speaker and knows how to do it, definitely let me know in the comments, because that's the one thing that I'm trying to get around with this speaker. Now I do want to say with all these speakers, there is a microphone built in, so you can do Bluetooth calling, and I believe I found all these for under 30 or under 25 bucks. So that's pretty much my 3 budget-friendly Bluetooth speakers. If you guys have any others that you think are pretty good, let me know down below. And thanks for watching. Hopefully I can make another video soon. Peace.